playing games, man. Stop fucking playing games of how I eat and how I do my thing. These niggas ain't supposed to be rapping, son.
These niggas try to pull it. They made me get a real gun and get some real bullets. These niggas fucked around. These niggas tried to pull it. They made me get a real gun and get some real bullets. Maserati. So much. Yo, I got my battle scars. I used to watch these niggas shaking hands with prison guards. I used to watch these niggas chilling on the prison yard. I used to watch these niggas snitching to the prison guards. And yo, but I kept my fucking business to myself. I wanted to make it out and stay in good health. You see, niggas don't know how to survive when you're living inside. You gotta keep that open eye. The number one rule is pay attention. And then the second fucking rule is remember you living in detention. During times in suspension. When you're doing life behind bars, ain't no pretending. You gotta keep it real. These niggas can see the fucking fear in your eyes. I seen a nigga get shanked 20 fucking times. Got a nigga no longer living in this lifetime. That nigga died. You niggas wanna know how to survive? I'ma show you niggas how you really survive. Yo, he didn't know how to survive. I'ma show these niggas how you really survive. Yo, in a time of desperation, do what you gotta do and fuck the hesitation. Cops come, you get locked up, incarceration. We living for right now, the temptation. Yo, we living life to the fullest, but niggas fuck around. Niggas try to pull it, but make me get a real gun and get some real bullets.
That fire. Yeah.